Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something different for you. I had this idea to do every week or every 2 weeks a video about certain bass player, and I will talk about something in particular that got me interested in this guy's playing. So for example, bass lines, groove, timing, rhythm, sound, arrangement, melody, harmony, it can be whatever. So today, as you can imagine, we're gonna check out Thundercat and we're gonna check out the bass chords, so also the harmony that he uses in his song, which is actually very simple in a way. It's very short, it's not more complex like jazz standards or something, not at all, but he has some really interesting chord voicings on his bass. The sound of his bass helps as well. He likes to use also a little bit more unusual chords, but this really brings out his song and his style, which is maybe a little bit eccentric if you want. So today we're gonna check out 4 of his songs. We're gonna check out Them Changes, that's probably the most famous one of his, and then we're gonna check out Lava Lamp. We're gonna check out Heartbreaks Setbacks, the outro at the end, where he plays just him with chords, but it's recorded a few times, so there's a few bass lines there, maybe, if you want to say it like this. And then we're gonna check out Lotus and the Jondy, which is probably the most unusual one, but very, very interesting. So let's check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna go briefly through the chords. I'm not gonna go too much into the detail. Basically, first chords we have a B major or a C flat major. You play 1, 5, 3, and the 7. Now this chord, Thundercat really likes to play this chord actually. So it's basically you just skip the middle string. Here a 5th and then here a 5th. So B. Next is a G minor, and it's the same shape, 1, 5, 3, 7, 5, and then 3, 7 down here. You can play it like this, or you can bar the chord. It might be easier. Again, the middle string doesn't play anything. You have to play in the right hand. You have to play like. Okay. Next chord is exactly the same, just a semitone higher. A flat minor. We move to F minor 11 or F sus. You play 1, 5, 7, and 4. 1, 5, 7, 4. Right? The next chord is E flat minor 11. Exactly the same, just one whole tone down. So 2 frets. Alright? And the way he plays the chord, first 2 separately and then these 2 together. Alright, we're moving on to the next chord progression, which is the Lava Lamp, and it's the version from the Tiny Desk concert, because there he plays really interesting. He plays the chords like separately, so it goes like. 6 9. It's a 1 5 6 9. It's a G 6 9 chord, and you bar the 6 and the 9, so E and A. So it goes G here, then you have this D here, E and A. So, and he plays this 4 times, like all, like 3 4. Alright, next chord, like I said, his very favorite chord. It's a really nice one actually, B minor, and it's B minor 7, and it's like again 1 5 3 and the 7. So you have a B, F sharp, D, and an A. And this chord is played 3 times. 1 1 2 3. And after that jumps to the same shape of the chord, but it's a C major 7. So you got C, G, E, B. Alright? This is just once. So till here is 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Again, after that, this G6 plays again, like 4 times, 2 3, and then you can do, he does this like a fill, it's not necessary, just E, F sharp, A, B, so 1 2 3, or you can just skip that and just play 4 times G, 1 2 3 4, and then again twice B minor, the same chord, 2, and then this. So you play an E, a B, a D, and this A sharp or B flat, which is a E dominant sharp 11 chord. This is played twice, and then we're back at the start. So it goes slowly. 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 1 2, and we're back at the start. So this one here is one of my favorites actually. It starts with an E minor 11, and then we have on this offbeat, we have this like a chromatic chord kinda. It's like a C sharp minor 11, the same shape again here, 1 5 3 7. So see better like this, and then down here is at the same time, and you immediately just these 2 notes switch to down semitone, so and it becomes a C major 7. So from this, and then it goes to this G triad with a 9 added. It changes to this G sharp 5 to just G 6 9 or 13 normal, 1, 5, 9 and 3 like this. G, D, A and B. And after this he goes to an F sharp minor, F major 7, so something like this, and F major 7, 1, 3, 7, and back. Now here, this F sharp, it's hard to say exactly what he plays because there's like a few lines that are recorded over, so it's not exactly sure what's being done. And then we go just back to E minor 11, this C sharp to C major 7, and then down to this, it's a G major 7. Like this. The song doesn't go exactly like this. He plays many different variations that I didn't copy. But the interesting thing for me was the chords and how they're very odd, but they fit so perfectly also with the melody, how he sings. Like there's always this this appearing up here. Live he plays it a little bit different, but on the recording you can always hear this, so it could be also that it's just that the bass is overdubbed. But anyway, we start here with like an F sharp minor 11, like F sharp, E and A. So this one, E and A, and then he goes to just the bass moves to E, and then a C here on 8th fret of the E string, and like these overtones here on G, D, A. And then the same thing, just one step lower. So we get like a C6, 9, and here we get like a B flat major 7 sharp 11. Okay. After that, he doesn't return. The song kind of feels like it's returning, but it's actually not going to this F sharp minor, but to an F6, or sometimes he plays, or he plays also like the same chord like that he played in Lava Lamp, the G, but just an F, the same. And then this E flat major 7 sharp 11, 1, 5, 1, 5 sharp 11, 1, 5, 7 sharp 11, sorry. And then again this chord, B minor, 1, 5, 3, 7. And then, and again just the 1 and the 5 just change for one, they go 1 fret lower. Alright, so So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. Unfortunately, I couldn't go more in depth because the video would be way too long. But if you want, I can make a separate video where I analyze the chords and the harmony and what scales go over it. So just write it in the comment section, and if there's enough interest, I'll maybe make one of those. And if you did enjoy the video, please consider subscribing and liking. It's for free and it just gives me lots of motivation to keep on making this. So I hope I see you next time.